Hey everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're going to be making some Jamaican style rice and peas. So here I have my peas already in the water. I did go ahead and rinse this off just to remove any dirt or anything that's left in the peas. Now when I am cooking my peas, I do like to go in with about 2 cloves of crushed garlic. I'm going to cover this and let this cook on a medium heat. This took about an hour and a half to cook. All peas will vary in their cooking times. You just know your peas is cooked when you can squeeze it in your fingers or with a spoon if it's, if you're not skilled like that, and it is soft. You go to test your peas and it is still tough, then you just leave it to just keep boiling until it is soft. Now once my peas is, I would say 95% done, I do like to go in now with all my bits. So I'm going to be adding my coconut milk, I'm going to be adding scallion, crushed pimento, some more garlic, ginger, thyme, Scotch bonnet pepper, and because I am using tinned coconut milk, I do like to go in with the bar cream coconut as well. I just think it just gives it such extra richness, and also it has the little bits, when you juice a real coconut, it just has those bits that just makes the rice very, very nice. Also gonna add a little bit of my all-purpose seasoning. Gonna give this a mix and just let this simmer for about 10 minutes. During this time, I'm gonna go ahead and get my rice washed. Once this is boiling, I'm gonna go ahead and add my rice. Now you want to make sure you taste your peas at this point, because once the liquid is tasting good, then you know your rice will be tasting good as well. I'm gonna add my rice and then I'm gonna mix it all so the peas will just distribute all over. I did realize that I had too much liquid in there, so I'm gonna go ahead and remove some. You want your liquid just above the level of the rice. Once I'm satisfied with the rice to liquid ratio, I'm gonna cover this and just let this come to a boil, reducing most of that liquid. Now once the liquid evaporates just below the rice, I'm gonna give this another stir. Then I'm gonna cover it with some cling film and also some foil paper, turn my heat to low and just let this steam away for about 20 to 25 minutes. Make sure you seal this very, very well so the steam gets trapped inside that pot, because that is what is going to cook the rice. Now after this time, hopefully the rice should be ready. If it's not ready, what you can do is just add maybe a teaspoon of water if your rice is still uncooked, and then cover it and let this steam for about another 10 minutes. Now I must warn you, once you remove this cling film, just remove it a little bit and just let that steam escape, because if you get your hand out of the way, if your hand is in the way, that steam will burn you. So just be very, very careful when you're doing this. I tested my rice was ready. So what I'm doing, I'm going ahead, giving it, fluffing up the rice whilst removing the thyme, the scallion, if I find the ginger, if I find the garlic. At this point I couldn't find the Scotch bonnet, it was somewhere in the bottom, but hey ho, flavor is a must. Just make sure, try your best not to burst that bit, and even if you burst it, just kind of scoop away the area around the pepper. If your really, you know, if you really don't like the spice, but I don't mind it, so it doesn't matter. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you haven't yet subscribed, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Please make sure you turn on, not off, your post notification bell, so you know when I upload a new video for my returning subscribers. Thank you so much. There you have it, guys. My Jamaican style rice and peas is done. I cooked this up with some delicious curry goat. The recipe is on my channel. I have a few curry goat recipes, so you can just search Shell's Homestyle Kitchen Jamaican curry goat and you will find it if you're interested in that recipe. Thank you so much again for watching. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye guys.